In this video, I will show you why weeds will never grow back again when you do this one simple trick. And the best part? No toxic chemicals, no harm to your soil, and it works fast. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you exactly how to mix a powerful natural weed killer you can make right at home. Weeds. They're every gardener's nightmare. They steal water, nutrients, and space from your vegetables and flowers. They even attract pests and spread diseases. And when they pop up between your sidewalks or pathways, they make your whole yard look neglected. Now, many people reach for chemical herbicides, but here's the truth. Those sprays are dangerous. They can irritate your skin, damage your lungs if inhaled, and even seep into your soil and groundwater. Definitely not something you want around your garden, pets, or kids. That's why today I'll show you how to fight weeds naturally, using just a few simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Now you might think, why not just pull the weeds out by hand? Well, here's the problem. If even a tiny piece of the root stays in the soil, those weeds come right back. And some weeds have such strong, deep root systems that pulling them is almost impossible. So instead of wasting your time, let's make something that actually stops weeds in their tracks. Here's what you'll need. 300 milliliters of water, 300 milliliters of vinegar. This is the star ingredient. The acid destroys plant tissues, drying out weeds quickly. It works best on young weeds and is 100% natural. But careful though, only spray the weeds because it can also harm your soil. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Its strong smell repels insects, snails, and even rodents. Plus, when combined with vinegar, it irritates weeds and slows their growth. 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt dehydrates weeds, making them wither and die. But here's an important warning. Never sprinkle it directly into the soil because it can damage it long term. And finally, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. This is the secret booster. It helps the mixture stick to the leaves and break through the waxy layer of the plant, allowing the vinegar and salt to penetrate deeply. Mix all the ingredients well, strain it, and pour it into a spray bottle. Then, spray directly on the weeds, only on the weeds, during the hottest, sunniest part of the day. The heat supercharges the mixture, and you'll start seeing results in just a few hours. Look at this. Completely dried up weeds, gone without a trace. No chemicals, no pollution, and no worries about your kids or pets playing in the yard. I hope this simple recipe helps you take back control of your garden. If you found this useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow gardener. And before you go, check out the next video on your screen for even more natural gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.